Okay, what do we get?
Start over. We got our cooler.
Our what cooler? It's not just a cooler.
Coolest cooler.
All right. This is a quick unboxing video of the coolest cooler.
Let's see if one person can unbox this thing.
Boom! There it is. That's pretty simple packaging. All right, is there anything else in the box?
Nope.
That's it. Let's see, double doors on this puppy. Oh, there's our blender.
That's where all the stuff is.
So what do we get? We get a manual. What's behind the manual?
The manual. Mix Masters.
It's cool. Some blender tips, I guess.
And coolest info. Quick start guide.
All right. Okay, what else? It's the blender.
The blender. Properly seated. There it goes. It's reverse thread.
Got it.
Get that. You got your bottle opener. Your multi-tool bottle
Nice.
opener.
Oh, and a little knife. Cool.
This is your radio. I mean your speaker system. The portable speakers.
What do we got?
With instruction.
Okay. Oh, that turned out pretty cool. That's old.
Got your power, play, volumes.
Nice. I imagine that thing needs to be charged.
I would imagine so. Battery.
Oh, probably. Okay. So is that the cooler battery? Or is that the radio? Oh, that's too big to be the radio battery or the speaker battery. I'm going to call it a radio now because you called it a radio. Nice. All right. Hold on, let's see that thing.
It is three buttons, 3 charge.
Okay.
Not full charge, but it's got a charge.
See what lithium ion. Cool.
Charging supplies.
Yeah.
So this would stay at home.
Oh,
Most
it's a little
likely.
dock. Okay.
The dock, so you can
With the US plug on it. Okay.
charge.
Interesting. So I assume that light will go green, but we'll read the instructions. It goes, I guess.
Well, it says charging too. There's
Oh.
your cutting board / divider to separate the ice, so you can have ice versus cold stuff, dry stuff. There's your drain plug, which comes out right there. Simple pop, push back in. Okay, over here, slide.
Ceramic knife.
Ceramic knife.
That's a
for
good knife.
limes and whatnots.
And coconuts. I don't know.
And that locks it in. Plates.
How many?
4.
Perfect.
Perfect for our family. And 4 cup holders on the top of it. There's a max ice fill on the side.
Oh, that's where
There's
the battery goes.
Battery goes. Locked in.
What's the other side? Is there another compartment there? On the other side of it?
Nope, that's the
Oh, that's the
blenders
blender motor.
stuff.
Okay, what's around front?
Okay, bottle opener. And then there's a magnet right here, I believe is what they said, to catch the bottles. And that's where your speaker goes.
Oh, charge for the speaker and external speaker. That's cool.
Yeah.
Or maybe that's an input. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Right here. USB charge. Awesome. All right. Well, we'll have to do a little review of it later.
Your telescoping, your bungee that comes up and around.
I think it goes around that whole body right there in the front.
Think so?
Yep.
That's pretty tight. Let alone to put something on it and stretch it over. And then supposedly the most rugged wheels ever.